and welcome back to Harris Financial Coaching. Today, I wanted to discuss 3 ways that you can open up a Roth IRA. The most popular way to open up a Roth IRA is through contributions. Roth IRAs can also be opened through conversions or rollovers from a non-Roth IRA employer-sponsored retirement account, or a combination of all 3 together. Using one of these 3 methods, you have options when it comes to opening your Roth IRA. You always have the option of using an investment professional or a direct source to open your Roth IRA. Let's get into the 3 options. The first option is to open your IRA at a bank. The biggest advantage of opening your IRA at the bank is that you have low fees. However, banks have limited investment options available to you. The investment options available at banks are CDs and money market accounts. If you want to grow your Roth IRA with a set of diverse investment options, the low fees that you pay at a bank could wash away some of those growth opportunities that are available to you. The second option is to open up a Roth IRA at a brokerage account. There are an abundance of brokerage firms that are available to assist you with opening up a Roth IRA. Now, with brokerage firms, they give you diverse investment options that can help you grow your IRA. So if you're trying to diversify your portfolio, a brokerage firm would be a good option. Now, I do want to note that the fees and transaction costs at a brokerage are higher than they would be at a bank. So make sure you do your research when you're looking for the best mix of investments and low fees. Now, the third way that you can open up your Roth IRA is through an online account. Now, like brokerage accounts, there's a lot of online options when you're looking for an online broker. Typically, you'll see that the traditional brick and mortar investment firms have entered into the online market. Online brokers offer low investments and low fees to get you to open your account. So be aware of those hidden fees and low offers that may disappear over the long term. So there are benefits and disadvantages to all 3 options, but your level of experience and your investing savvy can help you choose the best option that's available to you. If you're unsure about the best option that's available to you, reach out to a certified financial planner to help guide you through the process. Finally, I do want to mention that Roth IRAs have eligibility and restrictions. These restrictions are not limited to contributions and distributions, so again, it's very important to do your research. All right, so those are 3 ways that you can open up a Roth IRA. If you need additional financial assistance, feel free to reach out to me. My links are below. You know what to do. And until next time, thank you for joining me.